Good afternoon. This is our international language testing system co-powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. So my name is Kamal and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110583. What is your full name?
My full name is Dipjot Kaur.
Is it your full name?
Yes, it is.
How may I call you Dipjot?
You may address me by my first name, Dipjot.
Does your name have any specific meaning?
Yes, of course. The meaning of my name is Divine Light.
Is your name common in your area?
Not really. Actually, I think even on social media, if I search, randomly 2 or 3 persons are having a similar name to me.
Where do you come from?
I come from a small town, Sirhind district, Fatehgarh Sahib.
Is it a town or village?
It's a town and it's developing day by day.
Is your hometown well connected with other cities?
Not really, because it's, as I have earlier mentioned, that it is developing day by day. Many projects are going on to link my town with mega cities.
What is the one thing you really like about your hometown?
The most impressive thing in my hometown is the parks, as if I am feeling stressed, I would really go there, and after coming back I am quite happy and peaceful.
What do you do whenever you have spare time?
Actually, due to my busy schedule, I don't get enough time for myself, but if I get leisure time, I would really, being a movie buff, I love watching movies, and during my leisure time I watch
Okay, do you work or study?
Currently, I have recently completed my secondary education, so I am a student.
Let's talk about sky. Do you like watching the sky sometime?
Why not? During nights, if I get a chance, I would really love watching sky.
Do you used to watch the sky when you were a child?
Yes, and even when I was a child, my parents used to tell me that the stars belong to my grandfather, and in small children are normally taught that a person is died, he becomes a star.
What comes to your mind when you think about the bird sky now?
Nothing really comes to my mind. Sky is an open place. After seeing sky, I would really feel open and comfortable.
Is sky gazing a popular activity in your area or country?
Not really, because most of the people even don't know the meaning of that term, sky gazing.
Would you say this trend will change in the future?
Maybe if my town will develop, more people will be aware of this term and they would really show interest in this topic.
Do you believe sky gazing activity is much more popular in Western countries rather than India?
Yes, this activity is quite popular among the European countries. As well, in my country, the term is not well known among the people.
Do you like any particular star in the sky and why?
As I have earlier mentioned, that I don't have enough time, and I don't like, from childhood only I got a time, so I would like.
What is the one thing you normally notice about sky whenever you see the sky?
It's the blinking of stars, as they, every time I watch in the sky, they grab my attention.
Did you click any photograph with sky on the terrace?
Yes, I remember. It was a full moon night, so I loved clicking the pictures.
How was the experience? Could you please explain?
The experience was quite good, and I am not good in photography, but that picture was quite amazing. So I was feeling appreciated that I clicked such an amazing picture.
Okay, teacher, that's all for the first section. Now we are going to discuss about second part of the RN speaking test. In this section, you will be given one topic card, and on this topic you will have 1 minute for notes and preparation. If you want to make some notes, we have paper and pencil at the table. You can touch it whenever I will allow you. And if you want to use it, you can use it later. And today your topic is describe an interesting conversation. And your time start now. start, please.
Conversations are a day-to-day part of an individual. So today I would like to tell an interesting conversation that I had. So one day I was just scrolling through my social media, and I randomly got a friend request from a girl belonging from Germany. First I ignored because being an introvert I don't like to interact with other persons so easily. But I don't know why I accepted the friend request, and she texted me, "Hello." I was that how can a person without knowing can text you? But soon we started talking, and I was shocked that our nature, behavior as well as preferences were same. On the daily basis, whenever I got time, we used to chat with each other on the daily life things, our goals, and surprisingly our goals were quite similar, as I also want to go to Canada as well, she also. And also we would love to discuss about our families, and I felt very nice after meeting such an amazing person, because in my 18 years, I am 18 years old, and I have never ever met a person who understands me in such a great manner. Also, if in future I would get a chance to meet, I will surely, without at a snap of finger, I will do all the things that I can do for myself.
That's all for the second section, Rachel. Now we're going to discuss about third section of the IELTS speaking test. In this section, I will ask a number of questions about conversation. Let's talk about conversation. How do people normally start their conversation in your area?
In my area, most of the people start conversation by greeting each other, as greeting is a basic thing that grabs a person's attention.
Have you seen any difference among greetings in southern side and north side?
Yes, actually I have seen major differences among both. In European or Western culture, they mostly say hi, hello, whereas in my culture, in my country, people usually conversate with each other with their own cultural words.
How do people can improve their communication skills?
There are different methods to improve communication skills as well. I was just looking through the YouTube, and there were a number of videos that were describing, and many tips were given to improve their communication.
Do you like telephonic conversation or face-to-face?
I think face-to-face, I would really prefer face-to-face conversations, as they are quite comfortable and there are almost negligible chances of misunderstandings.
What is the difference you have seen between telephonic and face-to-face conversation?
There is a lot of difference, as telephone we have to wait for a person to come online, as well many misunderstandings may occur, maybe due to the tone and face expressions, as we cannot see the expressions on telephone.
How do you deal with negative and positive conversation?
I would really like to avoid negative conversations. Even if I am feeling negative vibes from a person, I would really move away from the place, whereas I really appreciate positive conversations.
Don't you think for people negative and positive conversation are important to teach some lessons?
Yes, of course, as negative conversations give you confidence to deal with negative people and the people who are always trying to put you down, whereas positive conversations are really important to improve a person's self-esteem and confidence.
Why do you think some genders or people feel shy when they're having conversation with strangers?
Even I am an introvert. Maybe the persons don't like to interact so much with such random persons, as they are from childhood only, they have this type of nature.
Would you suggest some things for people to overcome shyness or nervousness?
Yes, they must not feel nervous from speaking to a stranger. As well, they must always try to watch some YouTube videos so that they can build up a self-esteem.
Don't you think parents or teachers encourage young ones to participate in debates or other activities to improve their overall personality? personality?
Yes, why not? Even I remembered when I was a child, my teachers as well as parents used to encourage me a lot so that I have enough confidence to take part in debates, some random competitions, and till today I have enough confidence to speak in public places.
Okay, how can someone be a good listener?
A good listener, a basic quality of a good listener is to understand and listen carefully, as one must not interrupt in other person's speaking, so that a person can easily interact.
Okay, that's all for the third section. Jyot, you can leave now. That's all for today's IELTS speaking test. Thank you.